Alright, I'm over here at Dillard Racing looking at a car right here. Dillard Racing, you want to tell us what we got here?
That's a 74 Barracuda with
Yep.
a 500 cubic inch, actually a 499 cubic inch stroker big block Mopar.
And that's a 440 base, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ground up restored.
Okay. We'll walk around a little bit.
Value should be between 60 to 85,000. We're putting him a tunnel ram on today with two 660 center squirters, side mount carburetors. It's a 456 geared pause track rear end, 4-speed, all new. Very powerful car.
So what was the intake that you took off of here in carburetor?
It was a single 4-barrel with an 850 that was performing great, but he wants to go with the old school look with the tunnel ram stuff. So that's what we're going to do.
So can you explain a little bit of what you've done on this tunnel ram, and what's the, other than it looks cool, what else do you get out of that? Because they're kind of expensive to put on.
Yeah. Well, we'll end up with probably just all around horsepower gain because the engine can use it. It'll move more air, more fuel. We bought it used off of eBay and refurbished everything on it. And should have it installed by 2 more days at most, maybe 3. And he's looking real forward to it. It should. The car was already violent. It's really going to be violent now. We had to hook up the little trick side linkage because he's got his carburetor sideways.
And you were saying something about this when we come down about it not crossing center. Can you tell me what that really means?
Well, if this was to go much further down, it would try to go on over this way. You can't have none of this stuff crossing center. If this were to go a little further down, it could get over here, and when it comes back up, it could try to go back that way.
All right. Well, that looks pretty good. Take 87. Well, it didn't take that many times, but we did start it before we started videoing.